Very good evening to one and all. This is Dr. Sangeeta on behalf of Zootech channel. Today we are celebrating the World Fisheries Day. So on 21st November every year, World Fisheries Day is celebrated globally in respect to all the fisheries that are operational. It is a fact that the small-scale fisheries are the ones that contribute to the maximum percentage of fishes consumed in the developing countries. Why is it imperative to celebrate the World Fisheries Day? According to the United Nations, more than 2/3 of the world fisheries are overfished. Therefore, it is very important to celebrate the day to create awareness about the sustainable fishing. Why is the fishing sector significant? Small-scale fisheries employ more than 90% of the people employed in fisheries. Around 65% of fish caught from inland fisheries are from the low-income food shortfall countries. More than 25% of the world dietary protein is provided by the fish. So the total fish consumption in the world is 100 million tons. Therefore, it is important to focus on changing the way the world manages global fisheries in order to ensure the sustainable fish stocks. What are the efforts the Government of India to develop the fishery sector? The Government of India had launched the Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana. This program aims to achieve 22 million tons of fish production by 2024-25. Also, it is expected to create employment opportunity to 55 lakh people. How important is fishery sector in India? Around 28 million people are employed in fishery sector in India. India ranks 4th in global export of fish. Also, India accounts to 7.7% of global fish production. The stocks of most delicious fishes are decreasing due to excess fishing. Take steps, save your hunger for later and let the fishes grow. Be responsible on this World Fisheries Day. Thank you.